We came from different worlds, and yet you were one who taught me the value of love.
To my dearest Jack, I want to take a moment to reflect on a significant moment that happened years ago during a Sunday church service. How can we determine if the person we love is truly the right one for us? In response, he directed us to 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 4 to 8 in the Bible. Fast forward to 2022, by the grace of God, we found each other again and fell deeply in love.
Said before, nothing certain, that's for sure. So honey, take good care, you'll be fine. Oh, I'll see you down the line.
Gera, oo. Alam niyo naman, yung gera doon.
Naririnig nga niya yung yung siren. Kasi doon, kapag nag-siren, 15 seconds lang kailangan mo na magtago sa bomb shelter. One good thing about Paycheck kasi 24/7 kami on call. Really?
Pinaparamdam ko sa kanya na nandito lang ako, na nag-ano sa kanya, nag-aantay, na umuwi. And, ayun, sinasabi ko sa kanya, hindi ka mamamatay. Uwi ka pa, ikakasal pa tayo.
Alam mo yan, kaya siguro nandito ako ngayon kasi kung hindi ko kinaya yun without him. Kasi lagi siyang nandyan ina-assure niya ako na makakauwi ka. Yun yung parang naging eye ko sa sitwasyon na sabi niya makakauwi ka, matutuloy yung kasal. Wala nang bawian. Ang daming struggle, sobra, until the very last day. But ano yun? May 8, this is it.
Something here I won't deny. I'm afraid to fall and I'm scared to fly. There's a ring in my head tonight. It's a feeling and it's crashing through. Fully you do, feel it too.
Thank you, Mami, dahil pinalaki mo ko ng maayos, and pati kay Dad, kahit wala siya dito ay papasalamat pa rin ako sa inyo, Clary. Nariyan kayo na nagsusupport sa akin.
Sana maging matatag ka lalo sa bagong buhay na tatahakin mo. Be strong always at lagi mong tandaan. Ikaw pa rin yung baby. Ikaw pa rin. Love you. Hell you.
I'm afraid to fall and I'm scared to fly. There's a ring in my head tonight. It's a feeling and it's crashing through. Falling into you, feel it too.
You are the man that my papa would have wanted for his only daughter. There is no doubt in my heart that he is looking down on us, filled with joy and happiness as he gives me away to you today. As we exchange our vows and pledge our love to one another, I want you to know that I am forever grateful for you. for your love, and for the journey we have embarked on together. I love you, Jack. Thank you for giving me your last name.
I'm eternally grateful that you choose me, marry me, and be with me with the rest of your life. Allow me to make you happy. I vow to you in all your sizes and forms, now and forever. I promise to never forget that this is a once in a lifetime.
Oh, we're standing on the edge of our forever, all we've dreamt of, and I never want this moment to end. Oh, as
Di ko man may pangako sa iyong magandang buhay, pero yung magandang lahi.
falls and the stars wake, what I know is where
I'm 99.9% sure of that. And today, from this very moment, I promise that I will do all things that you don't like.
love you till the end. Every moment breathing in, just to have you by my side. Oh, time after time, when I close my eyes to sleep, I will find you in my dreams for the rest of my life. Oh, time after time.
I choose you every single day, and I promise to always make you feel loved. We may not have that fairy tale kind of love story, but Jack, our love story is my favorite.